Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you 5 best refrigerators. Aprilaire 413A2 413 replacement air filter for whole home air purifiers. The leader in indoor air quality solutions to optimize the performance of your Aprilaire air purifier model 1410, 1610, 2410, 2416, 3410, 4400, Aprilaire or SpaceGuard 2400 with upgrade kit. The 413 Aprilaire replacement air filter removes airborne allergens as they pass through the MERV 13 filter, including dust pollen, mold spores, bacteria, pet dander, and dust mites. Proud partner of American Lung Association, Aprilaire's mission is to enhance everyone's health by improving the air in their homes. Black Plus Decker BCR K25B Compact Refrigerator Energy Star Single Door. The sleek, modern design, available in black, stainless steel, and white, is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars, small apartments, and RV campers. The 2 removable glass shelves expand the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. The small freezer, 12.8 inches wide by 4.3 inches tall, fits ice packs, most frozen dinners, and the included ice tray. Adjustable mechanical thermostat with true freezer. This space-saving refrigerator, 19.13 * 21.10 * 32.80 inches, stores food, soda, beer, and other beverages with minimal energy and without taking up too much space. The sleek, modern design refrigerator is perfect for college dorm rooms, offices, garages, home bars. The glass shelves and drawer separate fruit and vegetable. Glass shelves can separate your different types of food. New Aqua Platinum Series Deluxe High Capacity 100 GPD5. Backed by an industry-leading 5-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime support, the new Aqua Platinum comes with the industry's best support and a satisfaction guarantee. This allows the system to provide up to a 99% rejection rate of 1,000+ pollutants such as arsenic, chlorine, fluoride, and lead. The new Aqua Platinum series has gone through rigorous development and testing in our lab to provide consistent, great-tasting, clean and healthy water on demand. White Mini Portable Compact Personal Fridge cools and heats. The adopts thermoelectric technology system allows beverages down to 18, or warm them up to 55, based on your ambient room temperature. The capacity is 4-liter, 6-can cooler, warmer mini fridge sports a matte finish and a modern profile that's perfectly portable. The mini portable fridge can be taken anywhere to store food, drinks, beer, snacks, breast milk, insulin, skincare, and medications. Follow video description if you want to know the price. Thanks for watch. Subscribe my channel for more videos.